Turn off sites notifications on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off all the sites notifications on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on sites setting. And scroll down, click on notifications, and here you can turn off sites notifications or blocked sites notifications. If you turn on this option, all the sites can ask to send notifications to your phone. And this is it, guys. It's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.